So, quick story time about how I became Warren, the AI and college admissions guy. So I want to talk a minute about why I started Future Finders. And to do that, you really have to go all the way back to when I first went into education as a substitute in Atlanta public schools. So I substitute taught for a year and wanted to get a survey of all the different schools that were available first grade through 12th grade. Kindergarten, too scary. But seeing that full survey of different grades and different resources that were available across the district really opened my eyes. It was amazing to see that all the kids were really cool and really capable and really wanted to live their best life, but they were given wildly different resources to accomplish that. So I got my first full-time teaching gig at a middle school and just hit the ground running because I realized there was this opportunity to give the kids that I was teaching the kinds of resources that were missing that really rounded out a well-rounded education. So field trips, extra books, extra science equipment, all this kind of stuff that I found available through Donors Choose and the people that supported my classroom. And you know what? Close that opportunity and resource gap, and we got amazing results. My results were so amazing that I ended up being promoted straight to principal, which in retrospect was a lot, but it was also earned because my kids were getting tremendous gains through this resource gathering that I was doing and the opportunities I was providing, like showing them what roosters are like. But at the end of the day, I really focused on building strategic partnerships, finding the resources for all of my teachers so that they could become the best that they could be. And wouldn't you know it, our school got tremendous results. We went from an F one year to a B the next year in my first year as a principalship. And a lot of that has to do with looking at the kids as well-rounded kids that were all very capable. After my time in the classroom ended and in the school building ended, I went into nonprofits where I again focused on providing resources that could help close gaps. And again, found tremendous success engaging businesses, using technology, and really making sure that all of our classrooms were equipped with the same kind of resources so that we could take advantage of all those talents that kids have. Fast forward to me starting Future Finders. I went into this really liking helping kids with that transition after high school because I think it's so pivotal to creating a wonderful future for themselves and for their future families down the road. It really meant a lot to me. But lo and behold, I get into the work and find that this is not the most equitable field. You have families that can afford a $20,000 a year college counselor, and they're able to provide their kids with so much extra support. And we're really supposed to be a country that's founded on a level playing field. And again, I found nothing that resembled a level playing field. So that's where I looked into AI as the thing that can help close that gap. As much as college counselors don't like it and might push back against it, AI can really help balance the playing field for families in a way that is absolutely revolutionary. If you use ChatGPT properly and pronounce it properly, you can use prompts that will get expert level results in a way that is accessible to just about anybody. So I'm really excited about the potential of this technology. I'll defend it against anybody. And I really, really like what this can do for families. So quick message to all my haters. Just remember, we're not trying to take anything away from you. We're trying to provide the same level of opportunity and access that you take for granted. So this technology, it's not for everybody. That's fine. It doesn't need to be for everybody. But if you're a busy family, if you're a family that doesn't have $20,000 extra to throw at a college counselor, this can be for you. So if you want a really highly personalized college admissions search, this is for you. If you want to take control of the process with the expertise of the entire internet at your fingertips, this is for you. Plus, you get invited into our community where you do get to interact with experts like myself and my team, other parents that are going through the same thing, all in a way that we're rooting for each other, pulling for each other, and trying to provide the best possible results for our kiddos.